Most people treat their air conditioner like a magic box. They ignore it until it breaks down. Then they wonder why they're stuck sweating in the middle of the summer. But here's the hard truth: your split system air conditioner needs you to take care of it, or it's going to cost you big time, both in money and comfort. Let's fix that today. Think of your air conditioner as an investment, like a car. You wouldn't drive your car for 50,000 miles without changing the oil, would you? Regular maintenance keeps your AC running efficiently, reduces energy, and can add years to the lifespan of the unit. Not only that, but a well maintained AC provides cleaner air, which is crucial for your health, especially if you have allergies or asthma. Neglecting it means that you're not only risking a breakdown, but also your comfort and well being. When you skip AC maintenance, dirt and debris clogs your system, making it work harder. This leads to higher energy bills because it's struggling to cool your home. It can also lead to poor air quality since a dirty AC blows dust and allergens into your home space, and expensive repairs, or worse, a total system replacement. Bottom line, ignoring your AC is an expensive gamble that you don't want to lose. Here's where you take control. These DIY hacks are simple, effective, and require minimum tools or experience. Let's dive in. Number one, clean or replace your AC filters. Your AC filters are like the lungs of your system. If they're clogged, it can't breathe. Dirty filters not only reduce efficiency, but also circulate dust and allergens into your home. How do you do it? Remove the filter, usually located inside your indoor unit. Check it for dust buildup and either clean it with water or replace it depending on if you have a disposable AC filter or a rewashable one. Here's a pro tip. Do this monthly during peak usage seasons and every 3 months during lighter use. Number two, keep the outdoor unit clean. The outdoor unit, also known as the condenser, is the powerhouse of your system. If it's surrounded by leaves, dirt, or debris, it struggles to cool efficiently. So how do you do it? Use a garden hose to gently spray off dust and dirt from the unit's fins. Clear at least 2 feet of space around the unit by trimming bushes or grass. Here's something that you should consider. Think of an outdoor unit as a giant fan. If something's blocking the blades, it can't spin properly. Number three, check the condensate drain line. A clogged drain line can cause water leaks and even damage your system. The good news, it's an easy fix. So how do you do it? Locate the drain line, a PVC pipe near your indoor unit, and pour a cup of distilled vinegar into it. This helps dissolve any algae or buildup inside. Here's a pro tip. Do this every few months to keep the water flowing freely. Number four, straighten bent fins. The aluminum fins on your outdoor unit help release heat. If they're bent, airflow is restricted and your system has to work harder. So how do you do this? Buy a fin comb from your local hardware store and gently rub it over the bent fins to straighten them out. It's like brushing out tangles in your hair. Smooth fins mean smoother operation. Number five, set your thermostat according to the weather. Your thermostat controls how hard your AC works. Setting it too low can cause unnecessary strain on your system. How do you do this? Keep the thermostat between 75 to 78 degrees during the summer. Use a programmable thermostat to adjust temperatures when you're not home. Here's a pro tip. Every degree above 72 degrees can save you up to 3% on your home energy bill. While these hacks will keep your AC running smoothly, there are times when it's best to bring in a professional. Here are some red flags that you need to watch out for. Number one, unusual noises. If you hear rattling, hissing, or grinding, your system might have loose parts or a refrigerant issue. Number two, weak cooling. If your AC is running nonstop but can't cool your home, it could be a refrigerant leak or a compressor problem. Number three, skyrocketing energy bills. If your bill shoots up unexpectedly, even with light usage, it's time for an inspection. Don't wait for a complete breakdown. Professional maintenance can prevent minor issues from becoming costly repairs. Keeping your split system AC in top shape doesn't require a lot of money or effort, just a little time and these simple hacks. By taking care of your unit, you'll enjoy lower bills, better air quality, and fewer headaches during those hot summer months. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who's been ignoring that AC. Let's keep your home cool, comfortable, and running like new. See you on the next video. Ready to find your pre-inspected dream home with confidence? Visit us at proinspectsolutions.com/dream home to explore homes that are fully inspected and potentially move-in ready. Plus, sellers can attract serious buyers faster with a pre-inspected property, and buyers gain confidence knowing they're making a solid investment. And this is a win-win for anyone looking to make buying or selling process smoother and stress-free. Click the link below to sign up and get alerts.